Alright, what you want to do is, with the control panel, you want the HDMI cable. You want to push it through, back through the hole here. It will then, on the side of the machine, you need to take the top panel off of the side of the machine. And then up in here, in this hole right here, is where this HDMI cable will traverse through. You will probably have to loosen this screw and this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw so that you can actually pull the wire or the cable through. It's going to be tucked into this hole here, which in turn, on the back side of the machine, up in here is where that cable will come out. It will traverse through this protective tubing, so you'll probably have to cut the wire ties. It'll come through there, through the back of the box. This box is located, if you're standing in front of the machine, it is underneath the control panel. You will need to remove this back cover from here, which is 2 screws, and then that cable will come through here. You can tuck it through here, and then that hole up in the front, up there, is where it needs to feed through. So it will come through this hole all the way up in through there. If you get like a metal clothes hanger, you could probably tuck it through that front hole to here, tape the cable up, and then pull it through. Would be the easiest. And then in the front of the machine, once you remove this panel, which is where the power button is, 2 screws, it folds down. This will come in through that hole right there, which is right back there, which is what I told you to feed the metal clothes hanger through. It'll just follow this clump of cables underneath. And what you're going to do on the far right hand corner of the board, which will be right here, there will be an HDMI input. You want to plug that cable into there. Once you have that in there, you'll then simply take the cable from here, plug it in the back of the control panel.